Just feel like being selfish, but staying to myself, cause sometimes you lose yourself when being selfless. Tell me, who can you call on when you the one that called? I thought it was all love, but it ain't no love at all. Lately I've been different, something just been missing. I've been focused on this mission, but my homies think I'm slipping. Tell me, who can you call on when you the one that called? I thought it was all love, but it ain't no love at all. Lately I've been different, something just been missing. I've been focused on this mission, but my homies think I'm slipping. All I know is what I'm faced with. Sometimes I just can't take it. Gotta do it for my babies. Keep a smile on all their faces. God ain't give me patience. My niggas fighting cases. Been suppressing my emotions, but I'm not the one to play with. Lost my mama to addiction. My daddy was in prison. I was the only child on my own. I had to make decisions. You know what I mean? That shit be fucked up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't blame nobody, but I've been through a lot. You know what I mean? I love all my family. I got a big family now, but when I was going through shit, where the fuck y'all was at? You know what I mean?
He already is.
Tell me, who can you call on when you the one that called? I thought it was all love, but it ain't no love at all. Lately I've been different. I've been focused on this mission, but my homies think I'm slipping.
Yeah, yeah, salam, salam.
What up,
What's
my
good?
brother?
I'm already here.
What up,
Yeah,
my brother? This nigga out
yeah.
right
I'm
early.
in the building, brother.
Right early.
Yeah, bright and early. Bright and early.
Yo, it's always good to see you, my nigga.
You already know, man. You already know. You gotta keep in touch with all people.
Nah, I gotta keep.
Everybody.
No, I gotta keep in
Can't
touch.
lose
Nah, I
touch
gotta
with
keep in
nobody.
touch with you. You the god. And I swear they about to find out now. They about to find out something I already know.
look, son. If it's one thing I learned, yo,
since high school,
I learned.
You've
Yeah,
been the
and
most
this is from
interesting
even
nigga
back
I've
then.
ever fucking met. Straight up, I can say that shit with every bone of my body, bro.
Son,
listen, I need you to start with me. Let me ask you a question.
What's up?
Because we're gonna talk about child support, right? This is what you want to.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So I just have one. I just got one question.
You want to know?
I just got one question.
What's
and then
up?
you can take the floor.
What's good? Talk to me.
Do you think women use child support as a check, or as a means to support, or as a means to take care of their children?
I honestly believe that it is a security blanket for the woman. And I say that because a lot of us, our generation, some of us came up without fathers. And back in those days, when stuff was a lot harder, niggas still just did what they did.
Yeah.
And for those mothers who just said, well, you know what, okay, that's what it is, they carried on to still do what responsibility they brought into this world,
okay,
which was that child.
Okay.
So regardless to what, like, I don't condone, yeah, go make a bunch of babies. No. But be woman enough to work with the man. Not every man out here got the best of jobs, bro.
I know women. I know some women that say it's some bum bitch shit to even go get and take a nigga to court and try to get money from them. Yeah. You should be like, they feel like they should be woman enough to be on their shit to go take care of the kid. They don't need the nigga because they got rid of the nigga. They know the nigga ain't shit. So why would I even bother with him? That's some women.
So therefore, if certain women in that mind state feel that going down to the place to go do all this, filling out all this paperwork, if you ain't got it all at that moment, the women who not even on welfare, they gotta pay the little what, $25 just to get this all processed.
Yeah, like application
Yeah, you know what I'm
fees
saying,
and
like
shit.
just going through all that just to say, yeah, nigga, you got to give me this every week. Are you serious? Now look at a case like mine. You know what I'm saying? Us as men, yeah, we do what we do. We don't always think with this. Yes,
Never,
it's what it is.
never.
I'ma keep it 100. Like we do what we do. All right, but within certain situations, like how you gonna sit here to come at a man with, yo, I'm pregnant, and not be the one to take the same process as you would with the child support, take the same process of, yo, I took this test, I took this test. Nigga, it's yours. You how could you not be woman enough to want to do something on that note? Because you automatically know now, and pardon whoever's white if they on here, you gotta run to that white man to get you in check,
Mm-hmm.
to get what she wants or whatever is available from you through him. You know what I'm saying? She's not gonna sit there and be submissive. We know that.
Mm-hmm.
And if you not going along with her program, then it's like, nigga, all right, you gotta listen to the judge. What?
I don't
How
think
was
that.
that?
I don't think a lot. I don't think a lot when we take into account um or hold the responsibility of, because the first thing that people say when you hear child support, well, it takes two to lay, it takes two to make a baby or whatever.
Yes, yes.
So
But now
when
with
when we, because it's our fault at off bat, like we the ones that splash, we the ones that control, you know what I'm saying, the process of even making a baby. So what happens to women, you know what I'm saying, it's really out of their control. But in some cases I mean, in all cases you could say, well, if you didn't want a baby woman, if the woman didn't want a baby, then they should have made sure that he's strapped up. So you can't all say it's, you know what I'm saying, it's all our fault for splashing and y'all and them having babies. You know what I'm saying? But
all right, let me break it down like this then. Check this shit out. A woman has in America how many ways to avoid pregnancy, bro? Now the moment, like you said, the moment that man splashed,
they don't
whether
want to avoid
purposely,
pregnancy.
yeah, this is what I'm saying. So now check it. So the moment that man splashed, right, whether purposely, accidentally, the condom, however it go down, right? Those forms of contraception are out the fucking window. Now, why is that when she was willing to spread wings just as well? And now, because of that one moment, all of these forms of contraception are out the window. How does that work? We know that, yes, the pills, they'll give you side effects, and the ring, it'll do this, and all right, cool. So you telling me now that the moment y'all do what y'all do Saturday night, now it's like, oh, you know, we gonna keep this dude in suspense until, all right, I got my period. But we also know that that don't mean nothing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now it's like, yo, how do these same ways to avoid what could be a lifetime of pain get thrown out the window at that moment? But after she done popped enough kids, now she know how to go do all this, or she knows how to get that ring. She knows how to avoid some shit now after she has learned her lesson how many times. But remember, it's our fault and within our control, regardless, throughout this whole encounter. I don't understand that.
You saying so? You think after multiple, if a woman has multiple children with multiple men, then at some point she should be taking responsibility for shit. But at the end of the
I
at the
mean,
end of the,
hey,
at the end of the day, at the end of the day, men have to take responsibility for the women, for the children that they for the children that they create. It's not
yes,
it's not our decision whether the child gets uh, birthed or not, but at the same time we the one that put it in there. So we are the ones that have to take responsibility for the child one way or another. Now, whether they want to be with us or not, because I'm more of an advocate.
that's a
I'm more of an
whole nother
advocate of,
issue.
you know what I'm saying, families stick together. If you have what it takes to have my child, then you can't leave me, or you shouldn't leave me. If you want me to take care of this child, you need to be there with me.
Exactly.
But they'd rather do it on
I
their
agree
own.
with that 1,000%. But now look at the fact of what you brought up. Being together. Now, what's the point of, if the man is saying that he's going to do the right thing, or at least trying to show he's going to do the right thing? What triggered off in thy woman's head who is so angry or so scorned, or within whatever feelings that she's feeling, to have gone down to that courthouse to fill out any type of paperwork?
The paper the paperwork to me, I've always looked at it as like a fucking job application.
Exactly.
It's so easy.
And if
It's
a
so
woman
easy. It's
has
so
that
easy.
much
It's so easy. They make it really easy for
ambition,
them. They can just fill out an application and
and
and it
it
gets
is all
processed. And next thing
over.
you know,
It
dudes
is
is getting
all
charged.
you are hired, you got the job
It's easy.
at
Like,
the
you know
rate
what I'm
of
saying?
pay you're asking for.
Get him served, and it's going to be a good one, two,
It's a
three.
wrap. It's
I
one,
don't
two,
know if it's
three.
that
That's it.
easy for us. I don't know if it's that, like, if we try to do that shit. I don't know if it'd be that easy. Like,
Now,
they have
no,
to
no, no.
prove
Wait, check it out
that
though.
she's unstable. They have to prove all kind of
Nah,
shit.
you got to do. You look. Let me tell you. With the knowledge behind all of that, I break it down to any brother right now. For a man to go down and to say, you know what, I'll be the one to put myself on, that would be the worst thing ever. Because now it's like
Nah, I don't think so.
the
I think that's the
nah,
smartest thing a
it
man could do.
is.
I think it's the
It
smartest thing a
is.
man could do. You have to. You have to pay that. You have to pay that shit. You got to
All
pay
right.
that shit. You should pay
Now
that shit immediately. As soon as they come
I'm
out, I don't even care if y'all together. You should be paying that shit anyway. Because if they take you to
all
court,
right.
you
So now
gonna get hit
boom.
with years. You're gonna get hit with all this from the day that motherfucker was born. What were you doing for that
Nah.
child? If you cannot prove
Nah.
that,
Check this
they're
out.
gonna
Now
hit
now
you.
I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you how the system turns shit even more crazy, because within me getting hit with all of this shit, and me having to, do what I had to do in order to get knowledgeable, I done had to speak to motherfuckers within certain situations. Now, prime example. I know a nigga right now, you know, going through the same shit, whatever. And the nigga sat here and he was like, yo, you know, she went and put me down, this, that, and the third, whatever. And he was doing for the kid, right? I don't even want to ask why she did all that. Now, it's other brothers out here that have multiple. All right, say the woman had a child before they got together, right? Now they have a child. Now, within the court's eyes, that is a whole household, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Now, if the woman sat here to go put this man on papers, and the court sitting here to already want to get in your business like that, basically ask about that other child. Did this man have a relationship? Did this man this? Did this man that? Why do you end up paying for that child? Or better yet, here go a better scenario. You don't know the girl had a child from you. Now, she just automatically take you down, get you, because she got your name and filled out that application. Now, the judge asks you, Mr. Wallace, did you have a relationship with this child? Yes, Your Honor. Right? Now, you ain't seen the child but a couple times. You only gave Shorty like $100, boy. Couple times, maybe. Just say. You that child's daddy.
What?
Regardless of what.
Really?
Now the order goes on you, Mr. Wallace.
What? Don't you gotta be you gotta be like you gotta be the sign
Yo,
daddy,
check
right?
this out. Whatever anybody sit here and sit there and yap
if you
like
the
them
sign
niggas
daddy,
know
you
something.
the one that gotta pay.
Check this out. In the court's eyes, in the system's eyes, the child cannot be brought up without a father figure. So if Shorty was giving you all that twerking and all of whatever, and you done sat here to get cool with her child, you are basically building a relationship with that child. And throughout building a relationship and either her establishing that you've built that relationship or you verbally acknowledging that relationship with that child, your daddy.
So, like, all right, so I'm gonna use like a celebrity analogy. So if Diddy was with Kim and Kim had a baby with Al B. Sure, but Diddy was spending more money and more time with the kid, and Kim wanted support, she could say
She could go put in
Diddy.
a claim for
Diddy.
yo, honest
She
to
could say
God,
Diddy
she could
was
go
the
put in
dad
a claim for both of them. She can go do that.
to both of them.
For both my nigga. She can do that.
Nah,
Trust what I tell you.
She can't do that.
Like, niggas gonna look at me like, yo, that nigga don't know what he talking about. Yo, that nigga crazy. Yo, nah, pick up a fucking book. You know what I'm saying? You know what I done brought to you already. Like, you know I'm in my shit.
Oh, please,
you
by all means. I know you probably not at the crib, so you can't go get the paperwork. I know you
like, for real, like, my nigga, look, I swear I am not the smartest nigga in America, but yo, the system has been designed since back in the day to keep us as black fathers out of the household, period. So within all of the ways of throwing out there, oh, the child can get this, the child can get that. And the moment y'all get to a point where, oh, y'all can't be together and she can't control you within your pocket, yeah, this is what goes down. Look, my homegirl said it. A child needs a dad but can't be raised without one. That's a fact. You feel what I'm saying? But it's these women out here that feel because that boyfriend, girlfriend, we don't go together relationship ain't there. Oh, nah, fuck that nigga. I'm getting in that nigga pocket. That nigga hustle. That nigga do this. That nigga do that. She know all your ways of what it is that you do. So she got to get to that.
So if you was all right, so let me flip it. If you had the child, would you be trying to get child support from the woman?
Check this out, man. My situation, my baby mom's is a CO, nigga. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Correction officer. And you know she make more bread than me. Off the dick. I mean, like, I have never been the nigga to sit here to do what maybe the average motherfucker gonna do. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna pimp off no woman. I'm not gonna try to pimp you for your bread or dig in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? You give me mines, you be lucky. I'll let you see them. Or, you know what I mean? Like, shit like that. But, yo, I will not ask you for nothing.
Golden rule. What's the nigga saying? Golden rule. If your girlfriend is prettier than the baby mama, you're going on child support.
Oh, wow. Nah, I mean, yo, that on some, but yo, you gotta give the homie credit.
I couldn't do that.
You gotta give the homie credit because, yo, it's plenty of situations where, yo, the baby mama has, hey, let herself go. She don't look the way she used to. I mean, all kind of factors in which the nigga say, yo, fuck it. I'm gonna go find
life.
this.
That's just life, my brother. They don't all look the same as when you met them.
But yo, you know what? With the reality shows and all this other influence of bullshit out here,
Yeah.
this is what is fucking up our black women's heads, man. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I gotta look like this. Oh no, I look better than her. Look,
Yeah, the
competition what you are.
The competition is crazy. I pay child support, right? Now I will have my kid for months at a time or every weekend or whatever the case may be. While I'm paying, you know what I'm saying, buying things for the child and all this stuff like that. While I'm paying child support. And I make sure I make it my business to never speak to this bitch while I have my child, because I don't want no friction. I don't want no communication. I'm good. Like, I'm good with my kid. I know what I'm doing, or whatever. Or like, I'm good. I don't need you. I don't want you.
But you know what?
If I had
one thing that I have also come to learn.
If I had sole custody of my kid, I wouldn't call her or anything like that. I just dial down my means. Like, I just can't have certain things. If I want my child to have certain things, that means I can't have certain things. But to me, in my personal situation, I feel like this bitch wants to have her things and take care of the kid.
Exactly. This is what I'm saying.
And make sure that I am responsible for some of it or any of it or maybe all of it. I don't know. But I don't know. I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. I find it odd. I just find it odd sometimes. But I do understand that men. I'm very adamant. Men, you better do it. Like, you better pay your child support, because they'll come get you. The system wants them to come get you.
Peep this shit. I'm a fuck everybody heads up right now, right? Like I said about my situation, I did what I did with the girl. She came to me. She told me, yo, I'm pregnant. I asked for the proof. I offered to pay for the proof. Even Mama Love said, bitch, if that's my grandson, here, I pay for it.
Mm-hmm.
Just prove it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's it. Just do that.
Yeah.
She dip off. Oh, my nigga Jamie. Oh, man. Well, my nigga right here, well, he'll tell you some shit. But when she dip off now, because I wasn't acceptive to the word of mouth of the news at hand, I hear nothing from her. The moment I do hear something from that side, I now get to hear from her, and she wants me to come see my creation. All right. Any nigga in the world just wants to be sure. I don't give a fuck what the situation. If a nigga lying and said, yo, that nigga bought this pair of Jordans, you know what I'm saying? Nigga just want to be sure. Like, did he? Did he? He really wouldn't bought them. Like, niggas just want to be sure before they go, all right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We still don't get no proof. After this 2-year period went by. I'm like, what the fuck? So within any man who has a conscience, who has a heart, all right, yeah, you might have done what you did with Shorty. You may be willing to do what little you will throw out there because you are still not sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yes? All right. As time goes on now, you choose to still not give me what is necessary unless it was through what? A legal process? A legal way of things? Because anything that deals with paperwork deals with documentation and people of higher up to sit there and look over all of this, right or wrong?
Yeah.
All right. So
And it's
you
mighty
mean
in
to
the book.
tell me that we as the people who made this creation cannot establish this amongst ourselves? We need higher ups, people who dig into our personal lives in order to establish this creation of this child? Why? And then within our lovely system, we already know that they want us as the black man to continue to fight with this black woman. That's what they want. We're going to continue arguing. We're going to continue fighting. We're going to continue disagreeing on this same creation in which now this higher up has now taken control of at a price. Because now it's different for both the women on welfare and the women that's not on welfare. The women on welfare don't got to pay to get on child support.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But now peep this though. The money that they get from the child support payments, child support only passes through what they feel the family should get. But now the woman that's not on welfare, we got to make sure that these particular cases are where we know we can make a decent amount of money off of these cases because they actually work. This is what we need. The welfare women are state expenditures. This is money we got to kick out. So we got to recoup that back.
So they're not.
Right?
Wait.
Yeah, brother.
So you're saying that?
Yeah, brother.
You're saying that the courts are using child support to make money.
I put up a post about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Niggas don't be paying it no attention. Niggas be thinking I'm crazy. Oh, that nigga just throwing up. He mad. He gotta pay. No, you dumb motherfuckers. I'm actually putting up ways for our brothers to, be able to put some type of standing leg for when they go into court, or actually know what it is that we are getting ourselves wrapped into. Bill Clinton back in 96, right? Signed what they call, and niggas can look it up. I'll say it slow enough for niggas to look it up, like for real. It's called PORA, if I said it right. Personal Work Opportunity Reconciliation Act. Okay? This was in 1996. Bill Clinton signed this shit into law, right? PORA is welfare law. Okay? Now, he made a little clip and all that. I gotta find all this bullshit because I seen it. All that.
You've seen it before. You've seen it before. You've seen it before.
Yeah. The nigga specifically says, like, the reform, the law, he doesn't want basically no more state expenditures to be put out there for the families that are in need. So AFDC, Aid to Family with Dependent Children or some shit, they switched that name to now TANF. That's the bitches getting welfare, stamps, cash, all that. The fathers of these children and whoever is within the system, because if this woman don't give up the information necessary, all the good little benefits that she got, especially not having to go work, they take away. So the rights of that child signed to the state. The rights of anything of her signed to the state. Because that man is responsible now for her sitting her ass at home collecting. My nigga, every motherfucker got an Android or a fucking Google or a fucking iPhone. Google the shit. PWORA. PORA. See what that shit say, people. If niggas think I'm crazy. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell more secrets. How about this? Case law. Something us as black people know nothing about. Right? That year after motherfucking Clinton signed that shit, how did, in Arizona, 5 mothers got together? How did 5 mothers in the state get together in order to go to federal court in order to put in a claim that they, as mothers on welfare and not, are entitled to child support? Now this was 1997, right? Now listen to what I said. The shit was welfare law, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So how did the ones that was on welfare and the ones that was not, how did they all go into the court to try to sue the child support agency for their services not being as efficient as they should have been? Right? So now with this one particular case law, that following year, Supreme Court said, no, bitches, you are not entitled to it. It benefits the state treasury, not the child or the mother. So this is the same 2 groups of people, welfare and non-welfare, who went in to try to sue the agency because their services, finding the father, doing this, doing that, doing the third, wasn't done the way it needed to be, right? So how did Supreme Court tell you you're not even entitled to the shit? And that your case is dismissed. Get out of my court. You don't believe me? Google this. Blessing versus Freestone. Supreme Court case law. Ooh.
So who's getting so the system is getting paid. So the system is getting paid off of
The
women,
system. Let me
off of
break it down like
files,
this.
women files for child support.
I'm gonna break it down to you just like this. Gerald Ford started this shit back in what 50? No, no. 74. 74 or 75.
When
When
everything went to shit.
Yeah. And they know motherfuckers is just coming back from war. All that bullshit. Niggas is getting high. All that crazy shit.
Now they started breaking down in 74. They started breaking down the black family.
Yes. That's what was before. Wasn't the war before that, Shaun?
Yeah.
All right then. Wasn't niggas coming back from the war fucked up?
What we were.
Could they really get a job to support the family? Look at the movie Dead Presidents, bro. Niggas don't be watching. Niggas don't be paying attention. That man went to go fight, came back to America. His man all fucked up off the drugs they was doing over there, but collecting a state check, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Anthony had to go find a job because Juanita kept popping fucking babies, right? Nigga working in a meat market after going to serve his country, right? How that's going to support 2, 3 babies, 4 babies?
It's not. It's going to psychologically break him down. But
exactly.
And he's going to flee. Before that, dudes was working in like factories and shit like that.
Factories
and
all that
money was
shit.
good money. You know what I'm saying? Benefits, all that shit like that. Then
all that. Now watch this though, niggas. These and this is for the people who actually know certain movies and shit. Movie named Claudine with James Earl Jones.
Mm-hmm. Never seen it.
Okay, now when Miss Claudine is sitting there with all them babies, and the social worker come, social worker all in her shit, right? Looking for what? Signs of a man. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Signs of a father figure. So, all that, right? Right or wrong?
I didn't see the movie. You got to tell me.
I mean, like, I want to see who comment, because I see a couple heads on here that just may be familiar with the shit. But my whole thing is this, like, if you familiar with how the 70s treated black women, black mothers, they wanted to make sure that there was no signs of a father figure in that household, just so they could remain on the system's dependency. But that was then. Mm. Now the shit done got so far out of hand. Now the state like, yo, what the fuck? Keep in mind, brothers and sisters, the Social Security shit, that little treasury for that, we've been broke since the 30s. Right, my nigga, we learned this in school, Shaun. You come on, man. I know you remember some of this shit.
None of it.
Like, come on. I mean, some of us was fucking up
what?
and cutting,
what the fuck am I paying for?
Like, I remember some of this shit, nigga.
I know the deal with the depression and all that shit happened, but I'm still paying Social Security.
This is what I'm saying, bruh. Think about it. A motherfucker who got a job paying into some shit that they got to pray they motherfucking ass off that they make the age necessary to collect that shit the fuck back. right?
Mm-hmm.
All right then. All of these expenditures for the what they call it, the public health and welfare and shit like that. My nigga, where is it? Besides tax dollars, where else is it coming from? People swear up and down like they really be knowing like so much. Oh, you just gotta pay it. You just trying to avoid. You da 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 da. No,
There's no,
lazy
well,
women.
I mean, that's a whole other thing because that's stuff like, yo, there's no accountability or no, um, the money there's no proof that the money that they're taking out of your checks and all that stuff goes into specifically what you're getting when you get to a certain age. There's no record or a dollar amount that you can see that gets divided and divvied evenly to everybody. They
Thank
just throw
you.
that shit.
Thank you.
They don't, and
Thank
no one
you.
cares how they got the check. Just give me my money. So we don't care.
Now,
So
listen to what you
I was
just
telling
said,
my
big
man the other
homie.
day, I was like, yo, millionaires, billionaires, we're on two different planes. They don't even acknowledge your existence. The middle class and lower class, they do not even know what the fuck y'all going through. They don't care. The billionaires are getting money from millionaires, and then they're just flipping it. They're just flipping big checks, turn into industries. Bigger checks turn into small businesses. The fucking the low income people that are making pennies and buying this and buying that, that all gets recycled from the middle class to the lower class. The upper class don't have shit to do with that shit. They don't whatever. I don't need you. Just keep running around.
Now listen to what you
Keep
said,
watching
son.
the things
Listen.
that I keep watching the
Let,
things that I
let,
show
let.
you. Keep paying
Now
attention
you tell me.
to the things that's going on around here. Don't worry about what I'm doing up here. Don't worry about none of this.
So now
This is a whole
you
other
tell
world.
me
Y'all keep
how
doing what y'all
different.
doing. We doing what we doing. This is there's no connection to any of this shit.
Now
There
how
is no middle
different
class.
is
There ain't no
any
middle
of that?
class.
How different is any
There's no
of
high
that
class. I think
to
it's rich, middle
to the
class, low class.
average day? To the average day today, how different is any of what you said of what's going on in child support right now? How is it any different?
If what you're saying, if what you're saying is true, is this basically like, yo, they are using women. They're using women
As
to get
pawns,
as pawns to get to as a much bigger
bro,
picture
bro.
to eat and supply the state
Ask yourself this. I
with
want to know.
millions
I
because
want to know any nigga
of
on
all the
here right
children that
now.
hold on of all the children that are out there, all the children that get made. We want as many women having some man on record so that we can pinch from each and every one of these children, and then they will get a small amount of what this man earns, and they won't say anything because all they know is they're about to get paid. All
Sean,
they know is they're about to get
listen to
paid.
me.
The man is gonna have
Listen,
is gonna have to take the bullet because he's gonna have to give her some money. But the bigger picture is when she applies, they get more. They turn that shit from thousands to millions.
bro. Listen to what I'm gonna break it down, and we gonna have to do another one of these because then I'll get more crazy with it and fuck everybody heads up. The federal government is the highest of the highest, right?
They say so.
Right? We clear on that. Now, child support is run from the federal office of child support. Okay?
Mm-hmm. But
Now,
they have their own division.
you tell me, now, you got a triangle right now. You got a triangle. You got the federal office of child support. So that's That's you.
Mm-hmm.
Now you got your ways of how this fucking operation gonna go, right?
Yeah, because they made the laws, they made the rules.
Yeah.
And they
All
can
right,
go
now.
however they want
Now
to go.
you need motherfuckers to sit here and run it for you. Because now you got 50 some odd, 53, 54 states, some shit like that.
50.
You need this spread out.
Mm-hmm.
So now that's me and the Goonies now, right?
Yeah.
Now we got to follow what you say, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now for all of what we done put out for all these people that are, like you said, on record, we need the motherfucking people that are arguing, going through it, and can't seem to get their personal issues in enough order in order to deal with their issues privately, as we have the right to inherently.
Mm-hmm.
But we're not gonna get into all that.
Mm-hmm.
Why would it not be profitable for you as well as me to have these same people on record in which everybody was giving money that was needed,
Mm-hmm.
but what we got back was nigga, whew, we good.
No,
You tell me.
we get to keep the party going.
There you go. So now you tell me why in the black man, no. Let me rephrase that. In the black woman's head, it's okay to be a man paying child support because it's the man thing to do, to pay a third party, which is both you and I,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
We benefiting from this shit. Remember now, why is it okay for this third party, both you and I, to benefit from what it is that these same poor people and middle class is paying to us? Why is it okay to them? Because like you said, what was it? Give me my money, right? Give me that check, right?
Now, right? Hold up. The funny thing is because my child support goes through the government. They're in my checks. So I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know.
Wage garnishment.
I don't even know if everything that they're taking from me is given to her.
Nope, it's not. Nope, I'm gonna tell you right now. 66 cents on your dollar is being taken out as their cut. That's all I'm gonna tell you right now. Like I said, we're gonna do another one because I'm gonna show niggas.
It could even be more than that because I just signed whatever.
No,
it could be
the federal government, whatever your order is, my nigga, the federal government is matching it. So for the state to receive federal funding for the rest of their welfare programs, 66% on the dollar is being taken as their cut. I'm telling you, that's a fact. I'll prove it, nigga. Like, trust me.
Yeah, because I can't prove.
People swear up and down. I
can't prove what I'm giving to my daughter's mother is every dime that is going out. Like they
check this out.
If you get 66 cents from 1 million people, how much is that?
Here go one better. The same $25 application for the non-welfare mothers, right?
$25 a million times.
Get 1 million women 25 times. That's 25 million, right?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah.
You gotta pay your annual user fee, bitch. That's $25. That's that's $50 million. So what nigga, Spanish, or white child benefited from that $50 million? Oh, nah, they don't know nothing about that because they only getting paid their little chump change, right? Because the niggas on papers now. Oh.
That's why it's a very easy. That's why I'm about to break it up in a second, but basically that's what makes it. That's basically what makes it reasonable or so easy for a woman to do it or want to do it because they're gonna get money.
They're gonna get their cut.
They make it real, and they make it real easy for women to go and like, yo, it's then they're like they call them in, yo, go, come in, trust me. Because when she went to go file, it was like, all right, here, just sign this, and we're gonna go have him served. When I wanted to go do something, when I wanted to go to court, I had to go do that, and they told me no, like you can't do that. Or no,
check this out.
No, my bad, I'm wrong. She went to go do it for me. And they said, no, he gotta come do it. You can't try to get the Riz taken off. He gotta come down here.
She gotta
to
do
get
it.
the Riz taken off. No, they told her.
Now
no,
here
don't
go
do
one
that.
even better.
Don't do that. They said
no,
don't do that. He gotta come down here and do that.
Even better.
But when they want her to go down there and do it, it's a 1, 2, 3. But that's because they're gonna get their $25 million off of that. While she gets her 21,000, it's fucked up. That's fucked up,
my nigga.
It's a cruel world. Here. It's a cruel world. With it's the division.
Yeah, it's more than a cruel world.
It's the
division. I'm gonna show every black man who on an order.
But the child gets taken care of, because if it wasn't for that, the child wouldn't get taken care of.
So how much more would the child get if you was giving it to the woman personally?
Who says you would give it to her?
Or you would just do for the child itself, right?
You probably would. You probably would. Okay.
But so now watch this.
You're supposed to,
and this is for every black man who has a child support order.
Yeah.
This is for every black man who got a child support order. You're supposed to pay 17% of your income, right?
Yeah.
All right. Any black man who still remember math and percentage, go on your pay stub. Find whatever check, whether it was the smallest check you made for the week or one of the largest. You deduct 17% from that income for your year to date completely. Now you tell me what you're paying out yearly equals up to what it is that your number comes out to.
I'm not paying 17%. It's a flat rate. Regardless of what I make. It's a flat rate.
Thank you. See?
It's a flat rate. They ain't paying no 17%. See? I'm paying what they deemed she deserved. Wow.
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm getting at, right? You paying a flat rate.
I get it totally.
Others are paying the 17%. Others are paying the 17% plus medical coverage, plus child care, plus so on. It's whatever the claim she put in, don't you see?
Yeah.
You see where the twists go now, right?
Yeah. But it's lucrative for them, because once one gets one, then the other's gonna hear, yo, ooh, nigga, you know what you could get for that? You know what you could get from him? Go there.
Thank you.
Go
ahead. Go do this. Girl, all I have to do is I'll go with you to go do this.
They get their 66 cents on the dollar.
Like it's nothing.
And it's
like it's hotcakes.
Yeah, wow. Yo, bro, thank you for the education. I appreciate the conversation.
You already, my nigga.
It was good. Already. It was good. It was good, right? It was good.
Yeah, and we got to do some more. This way I can like put more like paperwork together. I'm at work right now, but I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna have a woman on for one of these. You better be down there. Yo, just hit me up, baby. I'm here.
All right, bro.
All right, be good, man.
Yeah, later, bro. Stop this shit. I don't even know.